Let's get right into it. Number 7. Adrenaline overdrive. Your secret super strength. Picture this. A car flips over, pinning someone beneath it. You're not exactly a superhero. Maybe you even wrestle with opening a jar sometimes. But in that split second, something unbelievable happens inside you. Ordinary people have been known to lift cars in moments like this. Sounds like a movie scene, right? Except it's real. Your body has an emergency override mode. Scientists call it hysterical strength. Think of it like a hidden turbo button. Normally, your brain holds you back, like a governor on a sports car engine, stopping you from unleashing everything at once. But when real danger strikes, your system floods with adrenaline. Your heart pounds, your senses sharpen, and suddenly your muscles hit maximum output. Instead of tapping only part of your strength, you're firing on all cylinders. Even pain signals get muted so you can push way past what you thought was possible. But here's the catch. You don't get to switch this on whenever you want. It only happens when your brain is convinced it's life or death. In the aftermath, brutal. Torn muscles, shredded tendons, your body pays the price. It's like running your car at red line. Sure, it'll go faster than you thought, but something's bound to break. Number 6. Built-in blood cell vision. Ever stared up at a clear blue sky and noticed little sparkling dots darting around like tiny comets? What you're actually seeing is your own white blood cells drifting through the vessels in your eyes. This quirky visual trick is called the blue field entoptic phenomenon. It's not the same as those floaters that slowly drift across your vision. Instead, your retina is lined with super fine blood vessels. When sunlight scatters in the atmosphere and hits your eyes, the blue wavelengths get absorbed by red blood cells, leaving behind faint, dark streaks. But white blood cells don't block the light the same way. They're nearly see-through. As they squeeze through those narrow vessels, they create bright gaps that your brain interprets as glowing specks darting around. The paths those specks trace are literally the blueprint of your eye's own blood vessel network. Their motion? It even matches up with the rhythm of your heartbeat. So the next time you're outside on a sunny day, take a moment to relax your eyes and watch. You'll catch a private light show powered by your own circulation. Perfectly normal, completely harmless, and kind of amazing. Number 5. Secret UV vision. Inside your eye sits a natural lens, kind of like built-in sunglasses. Its job is to block ultraviolet rays and keep your vision safe. But as people age, that lens can turn cloudy, and doctors sometimes have to remove it. That's when something unexpected happens. You suddenly unlock the ability to see ultraviolet light. Those who've experienced it describe the world as looking completely different. Some notice a strange blue-violet glow over everything. Others start spotting secret markings on flowers patterns normally visible only to bees. These markings look like glowing landing strips that were hidden before. A famous example is the painter Claude Monet. After his surgery, his artwork suddenly filled with stronger blues and violets. Experts believe he may have been painting colors invisible to most people. Of course, there's a downside. Without that natural lens filter, vision can appear hazy and oddly tinted, and the eyes are left more vulnerable to UV damage. That's why modern procedures usually replace the lens with one that blocks ultraviolet light, which means this strange superpower is becoming less common today. Number 4. Hidden magnetic sensors. Turns out we've been carrying around a built-in compass all along. To test it, researchers created a special chamber that blocked every outside magnetic field except the ones they controlled. Inside, they placed volunteers wearing caps that tracked brain activity. Then they secretly shifted the magnetic fields. The results? Stunning. Each time the field changed, the brain lit up with a reaction. It's as if the mind has a silent radar tuned to these invisible signals. Yet the people inside felt nothing at all. Their conscious awareness stayed completely in the dark. Digging deeper, scientists discovered tiny crystals called magnetite scattered through human brain tissue. These microscopic structures behave like compass needles, the very same mineral birds use to navigate during migration. That means your brain has been passively sensing Earth's magnetic field your entire life. It just never passes the signal to your awareness. Think of it like having a hidden superpower, always running quietly in the background, but forever locked away in airplane mode. Number 3. Emergency pain shield. Imagine you're running away from a bear. You trip, crash into a tree, but somehow you keep running like nothing happened. Later, you discover that you've broken 2 ribs. How is that even possible? Your brain has a hidden ability. It can shut off pain when it believes you're in real danger. Scientists found out that your brain has its very own pharmacy of natural painkillers, stronger than anything you can buy at the store. These are endorphins, your body's homemade morphine. When you're in imminent danger, your brain floods your system with these chemicals. This is no random occurrence. It's an ancient survival mechanism built into all humans. Our ancestors relied on this power when facing dangerous animals or escaping predators. Imagine stopping to nurse a sprained ankle while being chased by a saber-toothed tiger. Not exactly a smart survival tactic. Your brain has several ways to block pain, like having multiple emergency switches. But there's a catch. You can't control this power. It activates only when your brain thinks you're in life or death danger. Once the danger passes, all that blocked pain comes rushing back, often feeling much worse. It's like borrowing from your future self. You'll have to pay it back with interest. Number 2. Feeling the invisible. Scientists found that our brains are pretty much addicted to information. They don't care how they get it, as long as it comes in a pattern they can decode. This ability is based on brain plasticity, your brain's remarkable skill at rewiring itself. They created a device that allows blind people to see with their tongues. It's a high-tech lollipop covered with tiny electrodes connected to a camera mounted on some glasses. When the camera picks up something, it sends little tingling sensations to your tongue in specific patterns. But eventually, your brain starts interpreting those tingles as actual visual information. Users of the device can move around rooms, recognize objects, and even read. Some scientists also created a vest that allows deaf people to hear through their skin. The vest has tiny vibrating motors that convert sound into patterns of vibrations on your back. After a few weeks of wearing it, your brain begins treating those vibrations as real sound. You can literally start understanding words just by feeling them on your skin. Scientists are pushing the boundaries, trying to give us entirely new senses. Imagine being able to feel which way is north, like a human compass, or detecting Wi-Fi signals around you. Your brain is already primed for all of this. It's like having a supercomputer, just waiting for new programs to run. Number 1. Your brain's built-in GPS. Deep inside your skull, there's a tiny biological GPS system that would make Google Maps envious. It's working around the clock, mapping everything around you without you even realizing it. Your brain has special cells called place cells that light up like tiny bulbs whenever you step into a particular spot. Walk into your kitchen, one set of cells fires up. Enter your bedroom, and a different set activates. It's like your brain is dropping invisible pins on a map wherever you go. But here's where it gets interesting. You also have head direction cells. These cells act like an internal compass that never needs recalibration. No matter how disoriented you get, they always know exactly which way you're facing. Your brain even added speed cells that are constantly calculating how fast you're moving through space. Right now, with zero effort, your brain knows exactly where you are, which direction you're facing, and how fast you're going. It's like having a miniature supercomputer designed to stop you from walking into walls. This system is so crucial that almost every animal has a version of it. Back in the day, it helped our ancestors avoid getting lost and eaten by predators. These days, most of us still get lost trying to find our car in a parking lot, but that's because we've gotten lazy. We've handed over all this work to our phones. Next time you're heading somewhere familiar, try turning off your phone's GPS. Let your inner navigator take charge. You might just activate that sleeping superpower and realize you're actually a human compass. That's all for today. I'll be posting more videos like this soon. Subscribe to catch them.